Hi guys, just come back from town where I've been to see my friend Guy, the engraver. Got the second Zippo done with my logo on. And he's done a fantastic job of the logo once again. Inside still original. It's also numbered, number 2, and signed, and it's a real Zippo. Put it back in the right way around. And this one, last one was just a brushed finish, or an urban finish or street finish or something they call it. This one was the same, and I decided to not quite steampunk it, but give it a somewhat post-apocalyptic look and feel to it, and it really has got that. Some fantastic texture to it, very tactile, and once again Guy's done an amazing job of the logo. See if I can get a close up of it all. Made in USA. Yeah, that's very cool. Yep, I'll stick this on Gear Bastion. Sorry guys, I can't do it any less than what it's going to be. Bear in mind I've had to buy the Zippo and pay for the engraving. But last one sold instantly. So, but yeah, there you go. Thank you, Guy.